Hey guys, HMD Global has scheduled a launch event in India on June 6 in which the company is widely expected to launch Nokia 6.2. This phone will directly compete with Samsung Galaxy M40, which is also having an punch hole camera. Now, ahead of the launch, the price of the upcoming smartphone has leaked online. As the report is to be believed, Nokia 6.2 could be launched in India for a price of 18,999 for the 4GB variant. The price of the Nokia 6.2 has been leaked because of a prematurely launched Google advertisement. Talking about the specification of the specification of Nokia 6.2, Nokia 6.2 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with an Adreno 512 GPU. It will have a RAM variants of 4GB and a 6GB with an internal storage of 64GB and 128GB. Camera: there is a triple rear camera in the Nokia 6.2 which is of 48MP primary lens plus 8MP plus 5MP which is a telephoto lens or a depth sensor. The front selfie camera is of 16MP to take decent pictures. Talking about the battery is huge, 3500 mAh with a 10W fast charging support. So the price of this phone is Rs 19,000 Indian rupees, $300 in the international market. This is all about the Nokia 6.2. If you like this phone, if you like the video, please hit the like button and please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.